Hey guys, so what you see here is my new Sanchez airframe. This is a lighter version of my Sanchez 3-inch Toothpick. It's got slightly slimmer arms, it's still 2 mm, but it's now got 2-hole motor mounts. As you can see, that saves a bunch of weight. Still only 3 mounts for the board, so you can access your USB easily. You have to put a bit of rubber on here to have some, so that the battery doesn't push on the USB. Slim rubber band also to save some weight. Overall the frame is only 5 grams, so it's pretty light, still pretty stiff because I have this X in the middle, so the fiber is going all the way through from arm to arm. The rest of the build is also kept pretty light because I think this perfectly matches. These are all Flywoo electronics, Robo 1202.5 motors, which perform absolutely great and save really a ton of weight. Flywoo all-in-one, Flywoo VTX. As you can see, it's super cool how this all stacks cleanly on the frame here. Then have a Runcam Nano 3, mounted in the 3D printed pod designed by Alexandre Avant. And I just glued a Crossfire Nano receiver on the back. I have DIY monopole antennas, which are just stripped UFL wires. So you just strip the thing, you strip away the insulation to the right length. I used a 1/16 of a wavelength for Crossfire, and I think half a wavelength for the VTX antenna. And it performs great. Yes, it's very far away from what Crossfire is usually in terms of performance, but it's good enough, honestly, and VTX really runs absolutely fine. So I don't have to push this over 50 milliwatts without any issues. I just put a little bit of glue on the connector here so that it doesn't strip off, but apart from that, it's absolutely indestructible. Really love this quad, really performs great. But now let's see for yourself. I'll show you some flight footage, and you can see how fast and efficient this thing actually is. It's absolutely amazing in this weight class. By the way, this is 45 grams without the battery, around 84 grams with a 450 milliamp hour 3S. Absolutely amazing performance, and those props are just amazing. It's completely mind-blowing how this Toothpick class that has been basically developed and further refined by Kebab has evolved, and how well those perform now. Absolutely love it. Shout out to Kebab FPV for his work. It's just amazing. Thanks, man. Now, let's get this thing in the air.